Hey folks, this is Rick with Travel with RickandD, and yesterday morning I thought I fixed the problem of a ice maker refrigeration hose leak. I went down and recut it, cut it about here, put a new compression fitting on it, and went out the next morning and we were spraying the grass, the plants, the sewer hose. So I had to shut it off, and apparently that the hose that was on there is so brittle, it's just breaking all the way down. So I went to Ace Hardware, bought myself a new hose, 8-foot hose, new compression fittings, and I am going to go outside and put a new hose on this automatic ice maker, so we still get ice here. This is all you need: 1/4-inch compression rod, 1/4-inch sleeve, 1/4-inch compressor for the plastic tubing. I'm going to use a set of channel locks and a utility knife. So without further ado, I'm going to head outside and you guys can watch me change this. So here we go. I'm going to open the compartment that leads into the automatic ice maker, which is right here. So I'm loosening up this compression fitting. I'm taking this hose off. Sometimes it's not as easy as it seems. Nothing seems to like to come off when you want it to. Voila! So, I am going to cut this right here. And then I'm going to push this down, which will go down below. At the same time, I shove this down below, and I think I have to get down below to work this. Howdy folks. So I pulled the hose down through the floor, and it's basically all tied together on this flap that has all our hoses and wires all connected by wire ties. And so this is the old hose, and what this glob is a silicone that goes up here. Once I feed that hose down through here and it gets connected to here. So what I've got to do now is I've got to get up there and I've got to feed that hose down through that hole, which hopefully it will work real easy for me. But you know, 9 out of 10 times, that thing that's supposed to be so easy turns into being miserable. But I'll make it fun, for sure. See it?
Yep, I see it coming through.
Here it comes. Look at that. Sometimes things do work the way they're supposed to. So on that note, I'll get the compression fittings going out here. So this is what the old one looks like. And this is the sleeve, the white piece. I'm going to replace that white piece of plastic with a brass piece. A little humid out here today. I am sweating my bajingas off. Okay. Let's see if that works. So, I put on a new compression nut, a new compression sleeve, and a tubing that connects this new hose all together up at the top of the ice maker. Now I'm going down below and do the same thing underneath. I'm sliding it through on the wire, the pieces that hold the wire. And coming up on the end here to where we attach to the valve. And here we go again with a nut, compression sleeve, and the tubing insert. Trigger finger. It always freezes up on me when I don't want it to. So the sleeve goes into the tube. Then you put the sleeve on. So this is the tube that goes into the hose. The sleeve goes on next, and then the compression, actually, my bad. The compression fitting goes on first. Then the sleeve, then the hose, and then you run that up inside, and then I use these channel locks and tighten up the compression fitting around the valve. Almost there. Let's see what happens here. No leak. That is great. Another problem solved. I travel with RickandD, my lovely wife on the camera, and my miserably sweaty body down here fixing the automatic ice maker hose and valve. Till the next time, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and hit the notification bell. And we'll see you on the road.